Hello guys, welcome to the Universal Sumit. Today I have Lenovo laptop that is completely dead. You can see the Lenovo laptop. When we try to make it on, turn it on, it's not working at all. Now let's see how we can fix it. Okay, you can see the model written on it and some QR code on its backside. Let's unscrew it first. Let's unscrew the point one by one. Now let's unscrew it. Okay, we are doing in fast mode. Okay, let's try to open it. Still screw is there. Let's open it. Okay, now let's remove the CD-ROM and let's check it. Okay, keep it safely, because if you get scratch on the lens, it will be difficult and your drive will be no more working, so we need to take care of it. Let's open it. It's a little bit difficult to open, so try to open it very carefully. You can see it's very tight, so you need to open it very carefully. If the lock breaks, then it will be not good for you as well. So it's opening now. Okay, let's open the lock also one by one from the one point to another point. Okay, finally we open the lock. You can see the Lenovo battery, the hard drive of 1 terabyte, and the port of the battery you can see over there. Try to disconnect it. It's very tight actually. Let's try to open the knots over there. Okay, let's open it. There are 3 screws. Let's open one by one. Okay, then remove the battery. Just pull it so that the port get disconnected. Okay, finally we remove the battery. You can see the battery over here. As the parts are very much crucial, so you need to take care of it. This is a CMOS battery. We try to remove it, but it's already stick in the board, so it's difficult to. So no need to remove the CMOS battery. You can see the pan. You can see over there the different ports and all kinds of stops. Okay, it's amazing, but the technology is amazing actually. You can see the wire going through. Okay, then we have to open this laptop and press the power button for at least 60 seconds. We have to do this because to discharge the static charge stored in the laptop board. So all the charges, static charges that are stored in capacitor and other register or anything in the board, it will be discharged. Press it for a long time, like of 60 seconds. Okay, I have forwarded this video because to do early in this video. Okay, then you have to check back side. Then disconnect the CMOS battery from the board for at least 5 minutes. This will help you to reset all the settings and the data. Also remove the keyboard wire from the board. Then again after 5 minutes connect it to the motherboard of the laptop and try to open it without putting battery in it. For this you need to connect the charger. Here we are going to connect the charger. Okay, you can see the power button is on and laptop started responding. See, it's without battery. Okay, laptop is being slow, but it's responding. Okay, you can see the Lenovo and it's saying checking media. Let's wait for the seconds and let's see what will happen. We haven't kept battery in it. Okay, Windows sign has been displayed, Windows 10. Let's wait for a time being. Okay, it's saying just a moment. As the settings is reset, it is being initialized from the beginning. Okay, it's taking time, too much time. Okay, there is let's finish setting up your device. Okay, we have done this and the desktop is now can be seen and it's all the keys are running. Okay, let's shut down this laptop as the setting is being loading, so it's being little bit slow. Okay, let's press shut down and make it off. Okay, the system is now shutting down. Okay, we have screwed the battery again into the Lenovo laptop. Okay, we are doing in 8x faster mode. We have screwed it and inserted the CD-ROM into it, and let's try to open it again, and it's not opening. You can see again when we plug the wire, still it's not opening. You can see the system is not being opening now again. When we inserted the battery and try to do it, system on, it's again not responding. Okay, the major problem in it is a problem in the keyboard. If you replace the keyboard, it will definitely work. So let's remove the keyboard flex from wire from this port, and by using any means of conductor, you need to short circuit first two ports in the keyboard. Then you can see if the system started, then there is a problem in your keyboard. You can see we are doing short circuit in two ports and the system is on now. Okay, and it's saying checking media. You can see by inserting the battery also, the system is now on. That means there is a defect in the keyboard. To fix this error, you must replace the keyboard. We don't have any option because in the keyboard the power button is now in the problem, so it's not being on by pressing the power key. But if you replace the keyboard into it, then it will be definitely work. As we disconnect the keyboard, it's not working right now. The key, when we type the key, nothing is coming in the the box, but the mouse is working, mouse touchpad is working. Okay, let's connect it again, the keyboard. Let's connect the keyboard again into the its port. I'm touching from this screwdriver because if you touch from your naked hand, then you can get electric shock. So make careful. So you should be careful on this part, and don't try if you are not familiar with the system and everything, because it may give you a shock, electric shock that will be dangerous for your health. Okay, I have connected the keyboard again, and let's type something into it. Okay, it's working. See, that means the keyboard power button is in problem. So if you replace the keyboard, then your problem will be solved. Let's shut down the system. Okay, the system is successfully shut down now. If you have similar problem, then go to the local vendor and just replace your keyboard. Now you can see, if we press the power button, it's not working, it's still not working. But if you short the two ports in the keyboard, then it will again be on. So the only solution of this problem is that you need to replace the keyboard from your local vendor. It will charge up to rupees 2500 depending upon your country. Thank you for watching the full video. If you find this video helpful to you, then please like, comment and share the video. And also, if you have other solution to solve it, please share in the comment below.